I should have taken it to a mechanic. The car's out of commission. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what it looks like shortly, but it's out of commission. Like the pulley, it's all ate up. You'll see. Hey, you want to see something super messed up? Then stay tuned for this. Yep, let's take the long route. I gotta explain this. This is not good. I'm speechless. So my car's still out of commission. I made that first video taking a tire iron to my Mercedes. Shouldn't have never called it that. Watch what you say, folks, because now it looks like I took a tire iron. You'll see shortly. But just planning I had the harmonic balancer. It's a pulley. I went and bought that. Went and bought the serpentine belt. Planning on taking the car in to the mechanic, but then I had this bright idea that, hey, it's just removing a pulley. How hard can that be? So I called up my dad, and I'm thinking I can just go to the automotive store, rent the tool to remove the pulley. So I did that. It's about 5 or 6 p.m. and opened up the container with the tool in it, and it's missing one of the major components to hold the balancer in place. So instead of me going to the automotive store and getting a different one, that was the last one they had, but I could have went to a different one. Didn't do that at all. I went and got a pipe wrench. On a Mercedes. So I was trying, here's what I was thinking. I was trying to hold it's a big metal piece. I was thinking I could hold the piece in place with the pipe wrench. All right, let me just show you what I'm talking about. This is how it was. It's on here like this. So I had it on here like this, secured, with a 2x4 stretching this. Well, anyway, it wasn't moving. Let's put it like this. I thought I had it. So I thought this was going to be a fairly easy fix, and I could kind of document it in video, show you guys what's going on, get some YouTube views in here, be able to drive my car. But no, I had to mess it up. Now I got to spend extra time doing stuff. Quick pit stop. Had to run into a store, grab a couple sodas right quick. It's crazy is that everybody's wearing masks. I mean, we're all used to it now, but we're wearing masks. Like, imagine putting a mask on and then going in the store. This is weird. But got the mask. We got a little bit of alcohol and some disinfectant, blah 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 blah. Gotta have that for your hands. Just trying to be safe out here. Other than that, let's get going. Let's get on the road. See these businesses, all these businesses here, boarded up. Let me show you what we're looking at right here. We're currently driving through the city of Wauwatosa. Currently, there's a ruling by the Milwaukee County District Attorney for charges, whether they're going to charge him or not. Officer Joseph Minza for fatally shooting the 17-year-old Alvin Cole. And this particular officer has previously shot and killed 2 people within the last 5 years. So this is a big thing. Officer Joseph Minza, basically we're anticipating something going on. If he's charged or not, I'm not sure. But basically, the city is shut down for at least 3 days. All the schools in Wauwatosa are going virtually. And like I said, a portion of the city is shut down. So, but other than that, I'm just riding through here, showing you guys what's happening. Not sure how the outcome is going to be. But yeah, just thought I'd mention that. All right, let's get going. Let's go take a look at the car. For real, I'm kind of embarrassed to show you or even make this video to show that I used a pipe wrench on my car. But here it is. All right, here we are. We got this. I'm not gonna use this. I'm just showing you what we were not using this ever again. Just showing you what we used, what I used. That's what we used. Look at that. All right, right around here, you'll see how it's ate up around the edges, just totally obliterated by the pipe wrench. I'm about to show you exactly how a brand new one looks. So right here's the brand new pulley. It's harmonic balancer. Can't wait to get that joker installed. And we're gonna do it the right way next time. So, pipe wrench, pulley. See that? See all of that? That's not something that was supposed to happen. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, car. And I want to take care of you, but Saturday evening and automotive store was closed. Well, about to close. I thought I had all the parts, and literally I didn't. So this is how it was. It's on here like this. So I had it on here like this, secured, with a 2x4 stretching this. Well, anyway, it wasn't moving. Let's put it like this. I thought I had it. But apparently not. So back to the drawing board.